It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Thursday, April the 9th. I'm Michael Groff. Despite an area of low pressure over the region, conditions should stay dry in the valley today. The low moves across the state tomorrow for a small chance of showers. But what about the weather for the weekend and next week? And how long can we expect these below normal temperatures to continue? We'll get into it first. Yesterday in the valley, 83 degrees was the afternoon high, 58 the low, and that's exactly where we should be for this time of year. And check out that record high of 104 degrees set in 1989, a very hot spring and summer. Remember it well, was walking to and from school every day was pretty brutal. Outside now, nothing brutal about this here at 8:25 a.m. Sunny skies out there sitting at 57 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 41, humidity 55%. The winds are calm and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning mostly in the 50s to near 60, although of course the cool spot 44 at Fort McDowell, 49 in Tolleson. The upper air look reveals low pressure, the dominant weather feature here across the southwest. This upper low is west of Las Vegas this morning. It's just going to meander around here for the next 36 to 48 hours before finally moving out. But most of the unsettled weather with this is going to stay to our west for today. Here's the watch warning map, and we've got some freeze warnings over parts of Kansas and Missouri, wind advisories extending from central and eastern Nebraska all the way into the Great Lakes states, and some winter weather over parts of the Northeast. Convective outlook for today, the enhanced risk of severe storms to include Laredo, San Antonio, Austin, Houston, the standard slight risk for New York City, Philadelphia, and Baltimore. Here in Arizona, we're in the green in the extreme northern part of our state, and maybe a few thunderstorms possible up that way. But again, we should stay dry here in the valley. Speaking of precipitation for the next 7 days from the WPC, rain amounts in Phoenix generally under 1/10 of an inch. Heavier totals confined to our north and west. And we'll detail what's going on now as we take a look at modeling. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper low across southeast California and southern Nevada. It won't really be drawing in a whole lot of moisture, especially not in our part of the state. So down at the surface, we're expecting mostly sunny skies today. Maybe a few clouds sneak in here this afternoon. Not nearly as windy as yesterday either, just some light breezes. Highs today, mostly in the low to mid 70s. Tonight, partly cloudy, lows in the upper 40s to mid 50s. Tomorrow, the low will very slowly begin to move eastward. And we will see a bit more moisture come in here, so partly cloudy skies. A small chance we could see some showers tomorrow afternoon, but again, they will be very isolated, very widely spaced, kind of like yesterday. Most of us aren't going to see much rain, and even if you do, it will be on the light side. The rain should be confined mostly to northern Arizona and southern Nevada. So highs tomorrow will be, again, low to mid 70s. It will be breezy at times. On Saturday, you can see the GFS is actually still holding on to some precipitation during the afternoon hours here across central and eastern Arizona, which could include the valley. But I'm going to keep the forecast dry for Saturday. I just don't think we're going to have a whole lot to worry about here. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, high temperatures generally, again, in the mid 70s. Highs pretty close to 80 on Sunday with mostly sunny skies. Then Monday, a backdoor surface front tries to sneak into the state, and that could bring some isolated showers in here again. Partly cloudy skies, high temperatures, upper 70s to near 80. Mostly sunny on Tuesday, highs around 80, and same thing on Wednesday, upper 70s to about 80, mostly sunny. Here's a week from today. This is Thursday the 16th, a little short wave moving through the southwest, and maybe that brings some clouds, not expecting much in the way of precipitation, even if this is correct. And then going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, this is Saturday the 18th. And this is a very familiar looking pattern, one we've seen for the last couple of months. A big ridge building over the northeast Pacific, another closed low moving down the east side of that ridge and deepening here across the southwest states. If this verifies, that's a giant if with an asterisk. That would mean cooler conditions, maybe some unsettled weather. But you know what I'm going to say here. This is 10 days out, so we have a lot of time to watch this, and model reliability and forecast confidence is especially low at this time. And checking out temperatures through the period off of the GFS ensemble, it keeps us below average for the next few days, then highs warming up next week. But many of the deterministic models are keeping us cooler than the readings that are shown here. At this point, it does appear that at or below normal temperatures are likely for a while, though. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a great Thursday.